Welcome to Tiny Beats!
Good morning, kids, come sing along. Let's learn good habits with this song. Tiny Tommy's day is bright. He learns to do things just time. Tommy woke up, rubbed his eyes, saw the sun up in the skies, grabbed his brush, scrub, scrub clean. Now his teeth are shiny and gleam. Brush, brush, every day. Shiny teeth will make you yay. Mom said, Tommy, eat your fruit. Healthy food will make you cute. No candy now, no silly treat. Veggies make your day complete. Crunch, munch, feel so strong. Healthy food helps all day long. After play, what did he do? Put the toys back, 1, 2, 2. Clean room shining nice and neat. Tommy's house smells fresh and sweet. Clean it up, make it bright. Good habits feel just right.
Bedtime.
Night has come, it's time for bed. Tommy yawns and rests his head. Stars are smiling, moons in view.
Good habits make dreams come true.
Brush, eat, clean and rest. Good habits make us our best.
Bye-bye, friends! See you next time on Tiny Beats!